Oh, Daddy, too far. What if the boat runs out of battery? And then how are we gonna get it? Do you have any extra batteries? No, we do not. ABC surprises.
Hi kids, today let's play with this awesome zombie remote control boat. Since we're playing with boat today, let's learn how to spell boat. Boat. B-O-A-T. That spells boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Hey Ryan!
Hi.
What are you playing with today?
I'm playing with remote control toys.
Oh wow.
Look, now we're gonna try this awesome boat.
Alright, let's go.
Is it super duper dangerous?
Yeah.
Oh, what if I find a way all the way over there and then we can't get it back? Are you guys gonna just jump in there to get it? Alright.
Are you moving it? Ooh, Ryan. It's moving.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Oh, I found a cliff.
You gotta get it out? It's stuck.
Ah, it's floating away. This boat is fast. It's cool.
Going backwards.
Daddy, don't go all the way over there. If you go over there, I'm just gonna get it, okay?
Ooh.
Oh, Daddy, too far. It's too dangerous with the boat going all the way far.
Oh, going to crash.
Oh.
Good thing you did real crash, Daddy.
Yeah.
Oh, look, Ryan, super far.
Daddy,
Well, it's so far, Ryan. How are we gonna get it?
get it back. Just roll it back. Do not make it far again. What if the boat runs out of battery? And then how are we gonna get it?
You're right.
We just gotta leave it here forever.
If it runs out of batteries?
Yes. Do you have any extra batteries? No, we do not.
Ooh.
Oh no, how do I get it back?
Uh-oh. Can we get it back?
Yep, wait. Yep, we can. Daddy!
Yeah?
Need help!
It's fine. Daddy will get it.
You can just jump in there and get it.
Yeah.
Batman, give me the surprises! Let's release my Bat Robot! Weapon activate! Shoo! Ah!